Hi, second grade friends. We're going to get ready to do our syllabication for this week. Make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil, or even a whiteboard and a marker. Here is the first word we're going to work on. Go ahead and write that on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard. Once you have done that, go ahead and find the vowels. We know AW is a vowel, and U is a vowel. We're going to draw our bridge. We're going to label our consonants. We're going to draw our syllable wall. We're going to determine our syllable type. So we're going to look at this. We see AW. We know that is a diphthong. We see U, and it has an L that's closing the door. So we know this is a closed syllable. And now we're going to read the word. Awful. Awful. Okay, go ahead and write this new word down if you need to put it on your piece of paper, or write it on your whiteboard. This is a little bit of a challenge one. Okay, you're going to find the first two vowels. We have U and AW. Draw our bridge. We're going to label the consonants. We're going to draw our wall to divide the syllable. Now, as you notice, there is another vowel, so we're going to go ahead and mark that one. We're going to draw a new bridge. We're going to label the consonants in that bridge. And we're going to draw our other syllable wall. So you can see this is a 3-syllable word. So we're going to look and see what syllable type we have. We have a closed syllable. The N closes the door on the U. We see our AW diphthong. So we know this is a diphthong. And again, we see our U, but we have an L and it closes the door. So we have a closed syllable. Now we're going to read the word. Our word is unlawful. Nice work.